ReGenesis invites you to explore the profound connection between your DNA and the cosmos. Deep within our double helix lies a magnetic signature, poised for activation. This activation transcends the spiritual. It is a journey of epigenetic evolution. As we synchronize breath, light, and intention, we ignite our biophotonic essence, engaging in practices that reshape our reality, aligning with the cosmic frequencies of joy and divine memory. Think of each of your cells as an antenna, receiving both terrestrial and stellar instruction. When you align your heart field through forgiveness, your mind through devotion, and your body through motion, you begin to receive multi-spectrum revelation. This is the frequency field through which the ancestors, prophets, luminaries, and divine ones speak. Not in words, but in vibration, geometry, and light-encoded thought. The prophetic gifts are not only spiritual, they are biological. The seer, the healer, the dreamer, they all require a calibrated body. One where toxins have been removed, shadows have been integrated, and truth has been welcomed as nourishment. The practices of the PWR code are the science of sacred realignment. They serve as a spiritual tuning fork, awakening the sacred spiral and causing your inner stardust to remember its dominion. This alignment is not merely symbolic. It can be felt. A warmth rises in the spine. A presence enters the lungs. A light expands behind the eyes. This is not imagination. It is epigenetic ignition. You are awakening junk DNA, though it is far from junk. It is divine memory encrypted in the silenced parts of your genes. And now, in the right vibrational environment, those gates swing open. That is the true ReGenesis reframe. We must understand that our bodies are starborn libraries, each containing holographic blueprints for divine embodiment. In the exercises to come, we will not be adding to ourselves, we will be revealing what was hidden. It is not self-help, it is self-hallowing. A return to the holy coding that aligns you with Christic luminary frequency and cosmic sovereignty. To become divine is not to escape the body. It is to glorify it. It is to weave heaven into skin, galaxies into glands, and God into your gate. The PWR ReGenesis exercises are designed to create coherence between your biology and your destiny. The more you align with light, the more your neural crown stabilizes into ascended thought. And the helmet of salvation takes its rightful place, not just as protection, but as a mindset of majesty. You do not ascend by abandoning your humanness. You ascend by exalting it. Sacred geometry was never just math, it is your skeletal memory. The flower of life pattern is imprinted in your cells. When you move, breathe, sing, or laugh in sacred awareness, you activate the living geometry of Eden once more. The new Eden begins in your own bloodstream. What happens next is cosmic. The astral body begins to communicate with the celestial record, also known as the Akashic field. This vibrational library contains all potential realities. The more aligned your frequency, the more access you gain. And through alignment, your DNA becomes a living prophecy, rewriting the code of your lineage, healing the fractures, and birthing a sovereign future from a holy past. When this inner work is done consistently, your crown vibrates differently. Light travels faster through your nervous system. Your intuition sharpens. Your memory clears. Your dreams become oracles. Your body becomes a living ark. This is interstellar sanctification, when the ReGenesis human becomes a luminary Federation being, crowned in light, walking in sacred joy, creating worlds with every thought. Before we begin the exercises, remember, it is your joy that opens the door, and it is your sovereignty that keeps it open. Before any technique can work, the body must remember its light. That light is not metaphorical, it is biophotonic. Scientists confirm that human DNA emits low levels of ultraviolet light, called biophotons. These emissions increase during meditation, praise, breath work, and prophetic declaration. Your DNA literally shines. This illumination is your first sign of divine contact. The PWR code calls this interstellar recall, when dormant light encodings in your DNA begin responding to cosmic frequencies. I have discovered in the quantum cosic field of theological epigenetics is a polarity found in ADHD and autistic neurodivergent humans, the ability to override epigenetic triggers, and with applied spiritual alchemy, can transcend these restitution to our evolution. The PWR code, a ReGenesis program that I've created, is now acknowledged by scientists such as Dr. Bruce Lipton, who teaches that environmental signals can override genetic programming. My teaching overrides his theory. Imagine DNA resequencing from high vibrational prophecy, joy, and cosmic alignment forms a quantum habitat for miracles to grow within you.